Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monzo, the popular digital bank. More specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, does Monzo accept anyone? Hook. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm finally going to be able to give you a definitive answer. So, if you're interested in learning more about Monzo, or if you're thinking about opening an account, then be sure to stick around until the end. Background. Before I get into the main content of this video, I want to give you a little bit of background on Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank that was founded in the UK in 2015. It quickly gained popularity for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. In 2018, Monzo expanded to the US market. Main content. So, does Monzo accept anyone? The answer is yes and no. Monzo does not accept anyone under the age of 18. Additionally, you must be a resident of the UK or the US to open an account. However, there are some other eligibility requirements that you need to meet. For example, you must have a valid form of identification, such as a passport or driver's license. You will also need to provide proof of your address. If you meet all of the eligibility requirements, then you can open a Monzo account. The process is very simple and can be done online in just a few minutes. Benefits of Monzo. Once you have an account, you will have access to a number of benefits. These benefits include a free current account with no monthly fees, a contactless debit card, the ability to set up overdrafts, access to a variety of savings products, the ability to track your spending and set budgets, 24/7 customer support. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Monzo does accept anyone who meets the eligibility requirements. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable banking option, then Monzo is a great choice. Outro. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo, then be sure to check out their website or download their app. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.